What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mac from Alkaline Herbs and Recipes, and right here I have some Eczema Skin Rejuvenation. This is great for eczema, psoriasis, or any other skin problems. Also, it's a moisturizer. It can be used on your skin, your hair, placed on your nails, just about anywhere on your body. Right here I have some wonderful SeaMoss and black soap. Now this soap right here is made with nothing but SeaMoss and West African black soap. This is great for eczema also. Right here is some freshly hand-picked Wildcrafted Shea straight from San Diego mixed with SeaMoss. Now this is great for eczema too or any other skin conditions. This right here is the SeaMoss papaya soap. Papaya brightens the skin. So this soap is, not only does it like help with eczema skin conditions, but it brightens the skin also. And also the same with the shea butter, SeaMoss, burdock root, and sarsaparilla. But really a soap, it does the same thing. It fights eczema and it also brightens the skin.